I'm going to lead you through CTLS starting from the Lassiter home page. So first thing you have to do is click the CTLS student link, and then you will type in your login information. Once you're logged in, this is the home page for your CTLS as a student. It should show you all of the classes that you're in. So you're going to choose whichever period you have zoology. And this is your class home page, so we should be familiar with this by now after today. So on your home page, you see your class board that has announcements on it as well with important information. So the first thing that we see on the class board, the very first post, welcomes you to the 2020 school year. And you also have your zoology syllabus right here. You also have the syllabus acknowledgement form. Now this is also available under digital sessions. So I am going to click on zoology syllabus, and this is going to take me to the file that I can view the digital expectations and the syllabus for zoology. The second part is the syllabus acknowledgement form. So after you have reviewed the syllabus with yourself and your parents or your guardian, whoever you're with, you then are supposed to complete the acknowledgement form. So if I click that hyperlink, it will bring me directly to the syllabus form. So this is your online virtual signature that you understand the syllabus. Once you fill everything out, you click submit, and I will get your response for the syllabus acknowledgement form. Now I'm going to go over to the left toolbar and go to digital sessions. So we are only on the first day, so we only have 1 week available in our digital sessions. So if I click on week 1, I see everything that we are doing for this week. If I want to know what's happening on Monday, what I'm supposed to complete, and where it is, I look right here and I see that there is a welcome video. If I click that hyperlink, it will take me to view the welcome video. After viewing the welcome video, I then want to know a little bit about you. So then you are going to complete the student survey. So this form is directly linked right here. So if I click, that will immediately take me to the student survey. So you scroll down, you fill it out. Once you have typed all of your answers and clicked submit, I will get your student survey form. The next thing that I'm supposed to do for Monday is the digital classroom expectations sway and complete the student checklist. And this is due by Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. This is due, I will update this for 4th period. This is due in CTLS under your Unit 1 notebook. So if I click this hyperlink right here, it will bring you directly to that sway. So if you click the hyperlink, then this is what it will bring you to. I'm going to go back to CTLS. So I know that the sway and the checklist are due on Tuesday, and this is due in the Unit 1 notebook. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the Unit 1 notebook. I can see when everything is due, what it is, when it is due. And I'm going to click on Lesson Assignments. Then I'm going to find what assignment it is I'm looking for. This is student checklist, that's what we're talking about, so I click on it. When I click on this assignment, I see the sway that goes along with the checklist, and you are able to click through it. I'm not going to click through the whole thing because that's a part of what you are supposed to do. So you click through the sway. You also have instructions on what you're supposed to do. The checklist is available right here. So what you would do is you would click download, it would download onto your computer, and you would have access to that document. So for the Welcome to Zoology checklist, you have multiple things that you have to fill in, so make sure you are writing down everything. So for example, the first one, log into CTLS, open this week's digital session and select the Zoology Classroom Mechanics Sway assignment for Monday, August 17th. Okay, you have done that. Put a check mark. Review the information on how to contact Miss Rowan. Miss Rowan's email address is, so you would write right below here, my email address. click or check that box off. Move on to the next. On what day can you schedule an individual extra help session? Answer it. Click the checkbox. You would do this all the way through the document, all the way to the very end. And then you would submit it in CTLS under the Unit 1 Notebook Lesson Assignment. Now I'm back in CTLS on my student checklist assignment. Now I've completed my checklist and I am ready to turn it in. I scroll all the way down to the bottom and I click Add Attachment. Then this window will pop up and you will click so that you can add a file. And then I will go in and I will find whatever file it is that I want to attach. So I want to attach my checklist for zoology. Please make sure that when you are saving an assignment or a lesson, an assignment, a file, whatever it is that you're turning in, please make sure that it is something that you can tell what it is by the title. I know that this is Miss Rowan's. It is the Welcome to Zoology checklist. Then you would click Save and Upload. You would know your file was uploaded successfully because you would see it right here. Now I'm ready to submit. So I will click Submit Response, and my response was submitted successfully. Now, if I want to make sure that my assignment was turned in, if I go back to the assignment page, I can see right here under Student Checklist that it is ready to score. That means that my file was submitted and it is ready for Miss Rowan to look at. You can also just click on the assignment again and scroll down. If you see your document there, then you have submitted your assignment. So I am back on the week 1 digital session, and next I've completed my student survey, I've completed my checklist. Now I'm moving on to the syllabus. So you need to view the syllabus. We already did this on the home page for 4th period zoology. But if you need to do it somewhere else, or if you didn't do it, if you are completing it on this page, if you click this link right here, it will take you to that same syllabus acknowledgement form. If you need access to the syllabus, you can go to your resources, and it is available right there under Classroom Resources. So after you have completed the syllabus acknowledgement form, the final thing is you are able to watch your first set of flipped video notes. So this is through Edpuzzle. If you did your checklist, you made your Edpuzzle and you registered. The codes are correct. Please make sure that you are using the letter O where the letter O is instead of a number 0. And make sure that you are typing everything in correctly because the access codes are correct. So I have access to my first homework check, which is this Edpuzzle. It is due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. And then my guided notes are due Friday under the Unit 1 Notebook assignment. So what I'm going to do is, if I am ready to do my scientific method Edpuzzle and notes, I am going to go to my Unit 1 notebook. I'm going to go to Lesson Assignments, and then I am going to find that assignment, so Scientific Method Notes. I'm going to click on the assignment. So the cool thing is, if you are logged into Edpuzzle, you can do it directly from CTLS. So if I press Get Started, the entire scientific method video will start and I can answer the questions on there. The directions are on this assignment page, as well as you having access to the guided notes. So if I want to download the guided notes, I can either view them by clicking the eyeball or I can download them. And it will give me those scientific notes. Please remember that these have to be in your own handwriting. They will not be accepted if they are typed. Once you've completed your notes, remember that the note portion is due on Friday. The actual Edpuzzle, this portion, as it says right here, is due Thursday. So let's say I've completed my notes. I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did on my other lesson assignment when I was doing the checklist. I am going to click Add Attachment. I will choose whatever file it is that I'm ready to upload. So I'm going to find my scientific method guided notes. I'm going to upload it, properly name my file. I know that it's Miss Rowan's Scientific Method Guided Notes, and I'll click Save and Upload. I know that it's been uploaded. I see my file right here, so I'm going to click Submit, and my submission was successful. I hope that this was helpful. Remember to always scroll through your class board and your announcements because it will be updated. So we have an end of the day one announcement. It has information on what we did for day one. There's also a video that's posted on if you need help in Notebook through Teams. You've got the calendar and the announcement that we already went over. So I hope that this was helpful. I hope it helped you figure out how to navigate CTLS.